Standard 5th, Subject English, Lesson number 2, Daydreams. Students, let us start with notes. So, towards your left is your lesson number 2, which is on page number 2 of your textbook. And towards your right is your workbook. So, this lesson is on page number 7 of your workbook. So, let us start with the notes. Lesson number 2, Daydreams. So, here are the meanings which we learned in the previous video. Let us start with written practice, classwork, homework. Assignment 1 textbook, page number 2. So, this is page number 2 of your textbook. So, our passage starts from once there lived a couple. So, the passage starts from here. Once there lived a couple. And it ends on goes to your sister, remember. So, it ends over here. It goes to your sister, remember. Now, let us start with question 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Question 1. What did the husband want to buy? So, now here in this question, they are asking us, what did the husband wanted to buy? We all know what did the husband wanted to buy? He wanted to buy cows. But in this passage, it is written over here. Husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. So the answer will be, remember, we should write answer in complete, that is full sentence. So the answer will be, the husband wanted to buy a few cows. Question number 2. What plans did the wife make? So we have to search answer from the passage. So the answer is over here. First the wife says, there will be so much milk that we can have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. And what was the next planning she did? She said she will use 1 pot for milk, 1 for dahi, 1 for butter. The ghee she will put it in another jar and she'll use this remaining pot to send milk to her sister. So here we have to write the answer. So for that we have to frame the answer properly and write the answer in sentence. So let us write, the answer will be, the wife planned to make plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. She would use 1 earthen pot for milk, 1 for dahi and 1 for butter. She would put the ghee in a jar. She would use the remaining pot to send milk to her sister. Question number 3. What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? We all know the answer. The answer is, the husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. So the answer is over here in the passage, because we are going to sell it in the market. So let us write the answer with proper framing and in full sentence. So the answer will be, the husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. Question number 2. Read the following words aloud and copy them. So here we have to read the words loudly and copy them. So now students, you will repeat the word after me. Read it loudly. First word, idle. Second word, enough. Now copy them. Idle, enough. Question number 3. From the passage, find at least 3 phrases each that begin with or include these words. So now here from the passage, we have to find at least 3 phrases that begin or include these words. Okay. So first one is A. So let us find 3 phrases from this passage. The first one is A. Or you can say a. So, year. A lot of time. So, let us write over here. A lot of time. Let us find the second phrase. Read fast. Yes, here, a lot of work. So, a lot of work. Let us find the third phrase. Okay, it is here. A drop of it. So let us write it over here. A drop of it. Second one. And. So let us find three phrases that include or begin with an. Are you all finding it? Come on, find with the teacher. Okay, I can't see an in this passage. So here we will write no phrases having an. Question number 3, the. So let us find the. Okay, here, to feed the cows. So here, as you can see, the is not at the beginning, but the phrase include the. So we'll write to feed the cows. Let us find the second one. Here, all the milk. So let us write it over here again. All the milk. Let us find the third phrase. Yes, it is over here, in the market. So we'll write in the market. Question number 4. Choose a or an correctly and fill in the blanks. First one, dash earthen pots. So here, the first alphabet over here is a vowel. So we will put a and an. Second, dash cow. It will be a cow. Dash jar. It will be a jar. Dash sister. It will be a sister. Question number 5. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. So over here, singular forms are given and we have to write it in plural forms. So first one is cow. So this plural form will be cows. Second is pot. It will become pots. Jar. So it will become jars. Sister, sisters. Market, markets. Drop, drops. Question number 6. Find at least 3 smaller words hidden in the following words. So this word is given over here and we have to find out 3 smaller words which are hidden in this word. So let us find first one. What will be the first one? See here, B-A-N-D, band. So this becomes the first word. Let us find the second word. It's here, H-A-N-D, hand. So hand. Third word, it will become bush. Let us see, B-U-S-H, bush. Yes, correct. So let us write bush. Second one, another. So the first word is visible over here, that is other. So let us write that other. Find second word, A-N-T, ant. So ant. Let us find third word, T-H-A-N, than, or it can be T-H-E-N, then. So you can write any word. So I'll write T-H-A-N, than. Number third, market. Let us find the hidden words from here. See here, M-A-R-K is visible over here. So mark. Second one, M-E-A-T, meat. Third word, E-A-T, eat.